Welcome back to the channel. So just a quick pocket dump today. So not my EDC bag, but this is just what I happen to have in my pockets today. I've been out with the kids for a while, so this is what I had with me in my pockets. So first, phone in an OtterBox. Then let's see here if I can get my keys off. So my keys, a small EDC setup here. It's the Tinkerer, Olight and Sabra pen. My Atomic Bear pen with some duct tape. Streamlight. Gun. Buck 450 Protege. Zippo. Wallet. Notepad. And let's see. Vaseline. And a rock. So yeah, that's my pocket carry for today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.